Photographer Martin Holeton brings us some of the sights and sounds of this holiday season.
Right, it's the Super Bowl of street performing. It's a who's who of street performers out here in San Francisco.
The official start of the spirit. We're out here 365 days of the year when it's sunny enough, but today's the day we hope to get paid. When you're playing on the street and some kids come up and dance, or even you can stop somebody in their tracks because your performance catches their attention, priceless.
Blues is not sad like people think all the time. That's not what blues is. Blues is uplifting. I got a great big woman and eat a bit of bottle of wine. You can have my woman, but you better not touch my wine.
Given to you that you might know the truth. Human freedom, animal rights.
What I do is entertain tourists who come to our beautiful city here in San Francisco, and I tap dance and I play my electronic funk music.
0.0001% of the population are really scared of clowns, but for the most part, it's all, you know, they love it. It's festive, it's fun, family entertainment, only in San Francisco.